Hi, another video to show us the usefulness of some of the new tools in MudShark. So here we've got a fairly simple site where a new building is going to be put up. I've calculated it. If I go into 3D you can see existing some landscapes, and we have a driveway and a building slab. And I'll just switch those off. We can see we have that underneath. So go to takeoff view. Let's say that we now want to put a footing around the edge of this slab. So what we can do is create a new trench network, assuming you've bought the trench network module. Create a footings category, and let's create a new trench, and no pipe, and say it's half a meter wide, and we're going to have some concrete in it. Concrete slab, and create. Now what we want to do is do it as an offset line. Normally default is to trace it with a polyline, but we're going to go offset line from the boundary of our building, and we know we want to be half the width in, so that's minus 0.25, and we want it to be a meter below the surface of the building slab, and the building slab's got 300 mil of materials in it, so I know I need to go 1 minus 1.3 down, and I'll go OK. And now we zoom in, you can see we've got a nicely aligned footing running all the way around the outside of the building. Now obviously with polyline we can go in and put in a mesh of trench networks of footings if we need to. So I'll just hit calculate with that as it is there. And go to 3D, and if I switch off the driveway, remember to go to select to deactivate offset line, switch off the driveway visibility and the foundation visibility, we can see we've got our footing cut out there. In fact, if I switch that off visibility wise, you can see we have our cutout for it. And in fact, if I get rid of respread, fill and remainder, and switch the foundation on and the footings on, we've got our nicely set up footings. So we've got our footing material and the cut and fill required for it.